Introducing the photovoltaic solar pile driver. This hydraulic solar pile driver is perfect for drilling in the ground, with a drilling diameter of 90 to 400 mm and a drilling depth of max 10 m. With competitive pricing and high drilling efficiency, it's the ideal choice for mining, solar photovoltaic, and construction work. The machine is powered by a diesel engine and comes with a 1-year warranty. Trust Sanrock, a leading brand in construction and mining machinery. Upgrade your drilling game with this efficient and reliable pile driving equipment.